Cultural celebrations, Father's Day in East and West.
Father's Day in the West. Date: 3rd Sunday of June. Traditions: giving gifts, family dinner, writing cards, watching games, outdoor activities. Differences: the importance of gift giving. Giving gifts to fathers is a very important part, symbolizing gratitude and love towards fathers. Commercialization: stores launching various promotional activities to attract customers to buy Father's Day gifts.
Father's Day in the East. Date: August 8th. Traditions: expressing filial piety, family gathering, writing cards, family activities. Differences: emphasis on filial piety. Filial piety is highly valued. Father's Day focuses on children's respect and gratitude for their father. Importance of family gathering. Family dinner is key to Father's Day in the East, strengthening bonds through a shared meal.
Father's Day differences between East and West.
In most Western countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, Father's Day is celebrated on the 3rd Sunday of June.
In China, Father's Day is typically celebrated on August 8th because the pronunciation of 8 to 8 sounds like dad in Chinese. In Taiwan and Hong Kong, Father's Day is also on August 8th.
In Western countries, people tend to hold barbecues, picnics, or dine out, and give cards and gifts to their fathers.
In Eastern countries, where filial piety is highly valued, Father's Day celebrations often involve a family meal. Children prepare a special dish or small gift to express their respect and gratitude for their father.
In Western cultures, the father's role is more open and close, with celebrations being more relaxed and joyful, emphasizing personal emotional expression.
In Eastern cultures, the father's role is often seen as more authoritative and serious, with celebrations being more subdued and emphasizing family and filial piety.
Western Father's Day has many fixed traditions, such as giving common gifts like ties, tools, or handmade items, often accompanied by outdoor activities.
Eastern Father's Day typically does not have fixed traditional customs, but it varies by family and region, such as giving longevity noodles or tea leaves.
In the West, Father's Day has a greater social impact, with businesses launching various promotional activities and the media providing extensive coverage and publicity.
In the East, Father's Day has relatively less impact with fewer public celebrations. It is more of an internal family holiday, focusing on family gatherings.
Common Father's Day vocabulary.
Barbecue. Barbecue. Dining out. Dining out. Excursion. Excursion. Outing. Outing. Road trip. Road trip.
Appreciation. Appreciation. Dedication. Dedication. Gratitude. gratitude. Nurturing, nurturing. Relaxation, relaxation. Respect, respect. Reverence, reverence. Role model, role model. Thankfulness, thankfulness. Tradition, tradition.
Celebration, celebration. Commemoration, commemoration. Gathering, gathering. Observance, observance. Reunion, reunion. Togetherness, togetherness.
Common word usage.
On Father's Day, we always have a family barbecue gathering in the backyard. It's not only a time for relaxation but also a great opportunity to show our appreciation and gratitude. Dad takes care of us while grilling, showing his love for us. This warm atmosphere makes us cherish the wonderful times with family even more. This Father's Day, we had a dining out plan, letting Dad choose his favorite restaurant. This was our way of thanking him for nurturing us all these years and showing our respect for him as our role model. Dad's teachings have shown us the true meaning of family and taught us the importance of gratitude and respect. For Father's Day, we planned a short road trip as a special excursion to show our appreciation for Dad's dedication. During the trip, we chatted about how he's been such a great role model for us. We also shared our respect for him. Dad is always so strong and reliable, and his dedication makes us incredibly proud. Father's Day is a day of thankfulness and a great time to celebrate family traditions. We can organize a family gathering, bringing everyone together for this special celebration. Each person can share their feelings of thankfulness towards Dad and tell some fun family stories and traditions. This togetherness not only helps us appreciate our family more but also makes Dad feel loved and appreciated.